Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel printing. See how to take the printing. Page layout. See the printing methods. Page layout. Page layout. Margin setups. The previous unit they did that part. Orientation, vertical and horizontal. Paper sizes, everything finished. So the print grid lines, vertical and horizontal grid lines. So the view, so you click on here, you can remove the grid lines. So then get back, so you click on here. So you take the grid line for the printing, so you select this, print. So then after that, file, so you go to print. So the print preview, grid lines, selected here for the printing. So likewise, say then click on here. So you remove the grid lines, headings. So the column series ABCD. So the row series 1, 2, 3. Heading, view, then print. So now the same route, I select the print. So these are the columns, column and rows. So likewise, the next page. So you can click on here, the next page. So then click on here, heading, grid lines, printing. So then print titles, print title, click on here. Same as earlier, page, margin, header and footer, previous version we done. So then sheet, print title, row repeat at top. So you click on here and select on this, row repeat. So then click on here. So then after that, print preview. So this one first page, Microsoft Excel printing. So the second page also can continue the title. So then click on here. So this one, print title. So then page layout, print area. Once again, go back to the print titles. So same as earlier one, grid lines, black and white printing, draft quality, row and column headings, everything. So you can select through this way also. I cancel this. Later we'll come back to that. So then print area, set print area from that first page. Print area. So first you have to highlight the area. So then go to the print area. Set print area. So now you go to this file print preview. See that particular part only, already selected part only, you can take the print out. At the same time, you can select the other facilities also. So then remove the print area, clear the print area, you can remove that. So the print titles, say print area, margin, orientation, size, grid line headings, printing. So yeah, likewise you practice this. So later, next unit we can meet there.